Did you know a routine safety test became the worst nuclear disaster in history? On April 26, 1986, night shift operators at Chernobyl began what should have been a simple reactor shutdown. They trusted their RBMK reactor completely. The Soviet design was supposed to be foolproof, but the test required disabling emergency cooling systems. Just temporarily, they thought. Shift supervisor Alexander Akimov watched the control panel as power levels started climbing unexpectedly. The control rods jammed halfway down. Radiation alarms screamed through the control room. Temperature readings spiked beyond what the instruments could measure. Akimov frantically tried every emergency procedure he knew. Nothing worked. Then came the explosion. A steam blast so powerful it launched the 2,000-ton reactor lid into the air like a bottle cap. The graphite core was exposed to the atmosphere. Radioactive material shot into the night sky. Workers died instantly from radiation exposure. The contamination spread across Europe. Soviet officials tried covering it up for days while people unknowingly breathed poison. Today, the exclusion zone remains too deadly for human life.